After a successful start to Sager Stadium's inaugural season, the City of Fayetteville is cutting the cost for special event parking to $5 for parking in the city lot. During a City Council meeting on May 13th, Council listened to residents and business owners' concerns that the original special event parking fee of $10 was hurting businesses downtown and their employees. In addition to cutting the fee in half to $5, Council also instructed staff to continue developing and improving the parking plan for downtown Fayetteville. When the stadium opened in April, the city began implementing paid parking on city lots during home games and major festivals. The city has 12 parking lots downtown. For baseball games, attendants will begin collecting the fee 2 hours prior to the start of the game and continue collecting until 2 hours after the start of the game. Parking will still be free for on-street parking spaces and will not change hours. ADA accessible parking during events will still be available in the City Plaza 1 and City Plaza 2 parking lots directly behind City Hall. Cost to park in the ADA parking spots is $5, the same as in other paid city lots. There will be up to 104 spots available for patrons with a current handicap parking placard or license plate. According to a recent parking study conducted by Walker Consultants, there are 4,360 paid and free parking spaces within a 5 to 7 minute walk from the stadium. More than 3,000 of the parking spaces are public and government parking lots as well as on-street parking spaces. There's an additional 1,100 private parking locations as well. For more information and interactive maps, visit fayetteville.nc.gov/downtown-parking or use the City of Fayetteville's app, available on iPhones and Android devices. Another rapist is under arrest after the Fayetteville Police Department's Special Victims Unit arrested and charged Johnny B. Green Jr. in connection with 9 rapes that occurred in the city between June of 2009 and November of 2010. Green was already in the Cumberland County Detention Center on unrelated charges when he was charged in connection with the rapes. Mr. Green was identified as a person of interest in these 2 cases utilizing Parabon Nanolabs' genetic genealogy service. This is the same service used to identify other suspects in unsolved rape investigations that resulted in charges and arrests within our city. The North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein joined detectives at the press conference in announcing the arrest. Once Johnny B. Green Jr. was identified as a person of interest, the SBI Crime Lab was able to quickly process the evidence linking Green to the sexual assaults. Attorney General Stein praised the work of the Fayetteville Police Department for having processed and tested every rape kit. Homeowners and landscapers participated in a recent Streambank repair workshop hosted by the City of Fayetteville's Engineering Department and the Cumberland County Cooperative Extension Office. The city, in partnership with NC State University and NC Cooperative Extension's Cumberland County Center, is providing the class free of charge to residents so they can learn how to protect and improve the natural environment by stabilizing streams on their properties. Attendees learn from NC State University experts about practical, cost-effective solutions using natural materials and native plants to create a healthy streamside environment. Following a classroom presentation, participants took part in a hands-on stream repair exercise, enhancing an eroding stream bank using grading, fiber matting, and native plants. Fayetteville homeowners affected by Hurricane Matthew flooding are now seeing some relief thanks to 2 state programs. State funding for home buyouts from the Hazard Mitigation Grant Program has already been received by 12 homeowners, and the remaining qualified homeowners should be paid by mid-May. The total appraised property value for the homes is $1.3 million. Starting at the beginning of May, the Community Development Block Grant Disaster Recovery funding process began for the low to moderate income homeowners who qualified and were affected by Hurricane Matthew. State funding for the Hazard Mitigation Grant Program and Community Development Block Grant Disaster Recovery Program has made its way to local homeowners thanks in part to the work of the city's Economic and Community Development Department and city management. The 2019 Big South Conference Baseball Championship presented by Hardee's will be hosted at Sager Stadium in Fayetteville. The tournament is scheduled for May 21st through 25th and will feature the top 9 teams in the final standings. The event concludes with Saturday's winner-take-all championship contest and will be broadcast nationally on ESPNU. The winner of the tournament will receive the Big South Conference's automatic bid to the NCAA Regionals. The Big South Conference is an NCAA Division I conference that produced the 2016 Baseball National Champion. The city's marketing of the event received financial assistance from the Cumberland County Tourism Development Authority. For tickets and more information, log on to FayettevilleWoodpeckers.com, scroll over to Tickets and Promotions, and click on Big South Baseball Championship.